Virtual commissioning and how can it benefit your organization? Virtual commissioning allows you to simulate complex mechatronic systems and test PLC programming as part of the sales and commissioning process, fabrication and production, and post-sales and service. These tools help detect and correct design errors early in the process. They help verify, validate, and optimize cycle times. And they can help ensure design and controls engineering are in sync throughout the product development process. iPhysics by Machineering is directly integrated inside of Inventor. A simple transfer tool will take all of your Inventor data over to the iPhysics platform for setup and configuration of a virtual machine. Intuitive tools inside of iPhysics allow you to define how a product moves and interacts, and how the equipment itself operates as part of the overall system. These aren't just animation tools. They take into consideration real-world physics such as gravity, velocity, friction, collisions, and so on. Switches and sensors can easily be combined with actuators and other kinematic devices to build real-world product flows. Easily understand sequencing controls with a timeline display of each process. iPhysics allows you to connect your virtually commissioned model to the real world with direct verification of PLC code with simulation data. Additional tools and capabilities such as AR and VR, component libraries, and robotic controls, as well as a wide range of supported PLC and field bus protocols, make developing your virtually commissioned design with Machineering's iPhysics and Autodesk Inventor fast and efficient.